So, you think about financing some commercial property here in Vancouver? Maybe it's a fancy hotel, a shiny office downtown, or you are planning to refinance that warehouse you picked up last year. Whatever it is, trust me, you are going to need more than just a basic understanding of mortgages to make it work. But don't sweat it. This is exactly where a Vancouver commercial mortgage broker comes in to make things easier for you. Okay, let's get this out of the way. What's the difference between a commercial mortgage and your regular I want to buy a house mortgage? Simple. Your home loan is all about you. But a commercial mortgage is all about the property and how much money it can make for you. Forget your salary for a second. Banks are way more interested in your hotel's occupancy rate or whether your office tenants are paying on time. Now, you might be thinking, how tough can it be to get a loan for a business property? Well, commercial loans are a different ball game. They come with a lot more complicated terms, stricter rules, and, let's be real, bigger risks. But that's exactly where a Vancouver commercial mortgage broker steps in, ready to get you through the process like a pro. Let's talk about the different types of loans you might run into when dealing with commercial properties here in Vancouver. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each loan is tailored to a different kind of property. Hotel mortgages. You're gonna need a solid business plan, a clear history of your hotel's performance, and a good revenue forecast. Basically, you are convincing the bank that your hotel's the next big thing, like the new hotspot in town. Office mortgages. Location, location, location. But also tenant stability. Lenders love things long-term tenants in your office space. So, if you've got that, you've golden. Warehouse mortgages. The bank's gonna want to know if your warehouse is in a prime industrial zone and if it's gonna stay profitable long term. Retail store mortgages. Banks care about foot traffic and neighborhood demographics. If your store is in a busy area, you are looking good. If not, time to think about how you can make your store the place to be. Now, here's where it gets really good. A Vancouver commercial mortgage broker is like your personal shopper, but for loans. They are out there hunting for the best rates and deals, finding lenders that are a perfect fit for your situation. Honestly, the last thing you want to do is waste your time hopping from one bank to another, right? So, what's on the checklist when you are applying for a commercial loan? Oh, just a few things like business financials, property appraisals, environmental reports, tenant leases, if applicable, corporate tax returns. Sounds like a lot of paperwork, huh? But that's exactly why brokers are worth their weight in gold. They gather all the documents, make sure everything's in order, and best of all, they'll help you avoid the headache of figuring out exactly what the bank's looking for. So, at the end of the day, choosing the right Vancouver commercial mortgage broker isn't just about getting a loan. It's about making sure you are making the smartest moves for your business. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and getting the most out of your investments. Thanks for watching.